That's, he's got a little rotation to the right as well.
That's right.
Pelvis is translated left a little bit. He's got more room over here on this right side than he does the left side. So since this is his first adjustment from me, we're gonna have him lay back on his stomach for me now, Jack, in there. I'm gonna start off on the biophysics table. He has an interesting clinical finding. His right leg is 3/4 of an inch shorter than his left leg in this prone position. I bring his legs up. I didn't get as long on that side. Did that tighten up as much as that first one?
That feels alright.
Okay. So he's got a little bit, he's got a positive Deerfield on the left and a little bit of Nautilus, but not bad.